Get your chill on with the Euhomy Ice Maker machine countertop with handle, perfect for iftar. Absolutely! The Euhomy Ice Maker machine countertop with handle would be a great addition to any household during the holy month of Ramadan. During iftar, it's common to serve cold drinks to break the fast, and having an ice maker on hand can make it much easier to keep beverages cold and refreshing. With the Euhomy Ice Maker machine, you can have a steady supply of ice cubes ready in just 6 minutes, which is perfect for preparing drinks for iftar. The compact and efficient design of the Euhomy Ice Maker machine also means that it won't take up too much space in your kitchen or dining area, making it a convenient appliance to have during Ramadan. Order your Euhomy Ice Maker machine countertop with handle today. Click on the link and start enjoying ice-cold drinks whenever you want.